Everysoul, Italy, and today I want to invite you to my online live workshop, Befriending Your Video Camera, and this workshop will be via Zoom. Every time you have one topic to develop, and I'll ask people, you don't have to, if you're a volunteer, so that the person will be presented something, and then we can all give suggestions. I'll give some tips. And the idea of this workshop is to help you to feel more comfortable while you are recording your videos, because I hear from a lot of people that they say, well, I know that if I use video, I think that I would be more able to communicate with my audience, to reach more people. But I feel very uncomfortable in front of the camera. So I'm gonna share some of the things that I do, to feel more comfortable. And well, I will talk a little about some techie things, but it's not strictly a how-to techie course, because I think that this kind of information you can easily find on the internet. I will leave all the descriptions, and all the details in the description box. And please, contact me if you have any further questions. Thank you for watching. Never abandon yourself. Be your own best friend. Bye.